Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's check out the fx620. The su-35 is just a 2-channel, so you're just controlling the steering with the 2 motors on the back of the wing there, here and here, there and there, if you couldn't see that. Anyway, I'm not sure how it's going to go. We got the lights put on there now. Let's see how it'll do. Thanks for watching. Wish me luck. Okay, here we go. It's flying. Wow. These, you have very little control, so they're a little sketchy at times, but they're a good place to start. Get you into it. Going from a 4-channel, it feels so weird not having all the controls. It is flying though, actually really well, considering it's windy. I bought it for $8. Wants to get it up there now. Try to get it to come back down a little bit so we don't get blown away. You can hear that little gyro in there. Lights show up really well. Well, I'm impressed. I think these normally go for like $27 to $30 on Temu. Be a good gift for the kids, get them started. Get them to learn how to steer. That's it, I mean, it's doing the rest. All I'm doing is steering it now. There's a big airplane in the sky. Jumbo jet. Well, the wind's picking up. Look at it just glide. Very cool. Neat. Wow, look at that thing, almost went vertical. way too windy for me to be out here flying this thing. I'm keeping it low. I don't recommend flying it in a lot of wind like this. Your flight should be a lot smoother, considering. But yeah, you can really control this thing left and right, up and down on your throttle for your, instead of an elevator. Control that with the throttle. Slow it down to point the nose down. Speed it up to pick up the nose. And just right steering and left steering. That's really all you have to worry about. Fly into the wind to gain altitude. And turn into it. And you'll find yourself climbing up in the sky just like that. Got better range than I thought it would have. Yeehaw! Fighting the wind, install. Almost. Alright, let's see if we can bring it in for a landing. It's getting a little too windy out here. Ooh, I got blinded. Went blind. Sorry about that, guys. Good enough. fx620, guys. I bought from Temu. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.